Welcome to my channel. This is the unboxing video of a Samsung S24 ULTRA. It's the edition with double SIM. It has 512 gigabyte storage. It's not the basic version. The basic version has 256 gigabyte storage. This is 512. The maximum you can get is 1 terabyte. I already opened the slush here. You can see it. It's a simple unboxing. It comes with a manual, I think. This is the pin for the SIM card. If you want to remove the SIM card tray, you just put it into your Samsung Ultra S24. You have a quick start guide. It looks like it is in English, French, Swedish, and some other languages. You also have a guarantee for your warranty better. In English it is warranty. I was mistaken. Warranty card. That's that. Then you have the S24 ULTRA. I already removed the plastic. You get the plastic over the screen. I already removed that, but this is what the unboxing video is. There is nothing more to it. It's nothing special, the unboxing. I also charged the phone. I already installed the phone. Check out my other videos about the S24 ULTRA. I will post some more videos about it.